Hello students, today I am going to explain your lesson of SST, lesson number 1, the globe, a model of the earth. It means today we will learn about the globe. It is clear from the title of the lesson that the globe is a model. Model means a specimen. Specimen means like we buy some toys like Taj Mahal, Golden Temple as the specimen of these real buildings. Similarly, globe is a specimen of the earth. First of all, we will read the aim of this lesson. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand definition of a globe, means meaning of a globe, grid that is used for locating different places, meaning of latitude and longitude, important parallels of latitude. It means by reading this lesson, you will have a knowledge about all these concepts. Introduction. Our Earth is one of the 8 planets in the solar system. It is a unique planet because of the presence of life on it. Life is possible on this planet because of the presence of air and water. We all know about the solar system that is made up of sun and its 8 planets and some other bodies. Those are present in our universe. So Earth is one of them. It is a unique planet. Unique means different planet than the other planets because of its qualities. Its qualities are air and water. Those are the basic things for the survival of all living beings. In olden days, it was believed that the earth was flat. People thought that if they traveled too far to the edges, they would fall off this flat surface. The people of old days had a thought that earth was flat. Flat means flat like a table. And they had a fear that if they traveled means walk. If they travel or walk too far on this flat surface, and they will fall down. Philosophers and explorers such as Pythagoras, Aristotle, Magellan and Copernicus changed the opinion of people about the earth, which they said was round. Sir Isaac Newton suggested that the earth was not a perfect sphere but was somewhat flattened at its poles. Philosophers and explorers are the people who studies different sciences. And these thinkers, here are the names of these thinkers. These thinkers changed the opinion. Opinion means thinking of people. The thinking of people was that the earth was flat. But these thinkers told the people that earth is not flat, it is round. Furthermore, another thinker, Sir Newton, told the people that it is not a perfect sphere. Perfect sphere means ball like shape, and he told them that the earth is not exactly like a ball. It is flat from its poles. Poles means its top and its bottom. Now we will move to the globe. Our globe is a spherical representation of the earth. It represents the earth in a simple and accurate way. Spherical means ball like shape. It means globe presents the earth among us in the shape of a ball, and it represents the earth in a simple and accurate way, and this presents the earth among us in a correct way. A globe being spherical serves as a good model to help us to visualize the earth and its surface. A major part of the earth is underwater. The large water bodies are called oceans. The 5 major oceans on the earth are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Southern Ocean and the Arctic Ocean. Being spherical in the shape of a ball, globe is a good model of earth, and it visualize means show us the earth and its qualities and its surface means its skin or its body. Those we are observing now. Here this is the specimen of globe. It is a globe. We can easily observe these blue area. This is a symbol of water, and this green and pink area is the symbol of land. And we can easily observe that the most of part is blue. It means a major part of the earth is under water. The large water, and these large water bodies are called oceans. And here are the names of these oceans.